Magandang gabi po, everyone! Hi!
Hello, Season Auditorium! Hello, Angel. Miss mo na ba ako?
Patawa ka? Anong miss ka dyan?
Umamin ka na kasi.
Sige na, miss na kita. Nakakamiss ka naman talaga kasi kasama mong perform eh.
Oo nga. The last time we performed together was 5 or 6 years ago. And backup dancers ko kay Alex noon, remember?
Yup! And I'm happy that Teacher Phil decided to pair us this year. Si Alex na lang daw kasi kasama ko lagi. Hi, Alex!
Sa totoo lang kasi, nirequest ko kay Teacher Phil na kung pwede, ikaw ang partner ko this recital. Miss na rin kasi kita mag-perform.
Talaga lang ha? Hay naku, Brian. Baka kung saan makapunta yung pambobola mo. Nalilising naman ta ng mama ko.
Joke lang naman, minaramak lang kita para sa number natin. Sige na nga! Music, please! evidence with the God who gives you the eye, hold it tight. You can smile, every smile for the man who kept your hand beneath the pale light. So don't forget to stay in your home, in the stars you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me.
Oh, I know that the music's fine and that's what your mind going, having fun, laugh and sing. But when we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone.
So don't forget to stay in your home, and in the songs you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know we love you so? Can't you feel it when we touch?
Never ever let you go. Oh, I love you all so much. Oh, I know that the music's fine, like sparkling wine, going, having fun.
Laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. So don't forget to stay in your home, and in the songs you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. So don't forget to stay in your home, and in the songs you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me.
Well,